what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is kind of a juicy video because it's going to be me kind of just telling you what's launching, what's not launching in the industry right now, what I'm gonna buy, what I'm not gonna buy, yay or nay, just like a little talk about type of session with you guys. So if you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and let's get started. So you guys, I'm going to go on. I'm going to have a little screenshot right here, and I'm just going to share with you guys from Trend Mood. If you guys don't know who Trend Mood is, she is a very popular page on Instagram, and she basically just like shows you all of the latest launches, and I love following her because I'm able to know what's going on in the beauty community just through her. So I'm just going to start, and I'm going to scroll down because there's quite a bit of stuff that I want to talk about. So I'm going to share with you guys what I want to buy and what I don't want to buy. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is I am not into anything Kylie right now. I find the Kylie brand really boring right now. Everything that she's launching, I think she launches things a little too much. She's always launching like, you know, yeah, she launches cute stuff, but it's like the pricing is just like way too much. Like I would launch Kylie stuff at cheaper. Like I wouldn't pay $54 for a palette, but she's making money and people are going crazy for her stuff. Her stuff is cute, but it's not like that cute. It's okay. But for the price, like, I don't know, like, honestly, I would only pay like $5 for a lip gloss from her. Like she should, I don't know. I'm not impressed by her pricing, and I don't think her quality is that freaking great. It's okay. So this is the new launch that she had, and I guess it was for, like, see, that palette is so beautiful, but I feel like when I buy it, it's gonna freaking look really, like, low pigmentation, and I'm gonna feel like I got ripped off. So I'm not, like, a fan of her palettes. They're just not for me. But I don't know. I should maybe test it out and try it out again because I heard her brand is improving and stuff like that. But for a while, I wasn't really impressed for a lot of the things. And then the Jeffree Star collection with Morphe. I really do want this collection because I love Morphe brushes, and I like Jeffree Star. I find him funny. I find him fun to watch. I know he's had like a dark past, but he's apologized for it, and he's trying to move forward, and he's really trying to do better, and I give him credit for that. I definitely want to get the KKW fragrances. Her fragrances are really good. I have the peach one, so I definitely want to get the collection, the wifey one. I want the wifey one because I just love the packaging. I think that packaging for the fragrances is just so cute. It's so unique, and I think they also smell good too. I have her peach one, and I really like how it smells. Okay, I'm gonna definitely skip on this MAC Bloom collection. It's just not my style. It's a little too pinky, even though pink does look really good on me, and pink is one of my favorite colors. I don't know, it's just a little too pinky, but that setting spray right there with those roses in it, I might get that. I'm a sucker for MAC Cosmetics setting spray, so whenever they come out with anything that's a new version of the setting spray, the scented ones, or they have rose petals inside of it, I'm down and I will buy it. I have an obsession with MAC Studio Fix setting spray, so you probably will see me buying that. Marc Jacobs, I've never been a big fan of Marc Jacobs makeup. It's like, whatever. It's not my style, but I guess it's cute. Nikkie Tutorials is collabing with them. I'm a huge fan of Nikkie Tutorials, so hopefully it's like something really fun that she collabs and does. And them collabing with Nikkie Tutorials is pretty amazing because that just shows like they're probably going to bring something innovative with her, because I don't even see her being someone that does Marc Jacobs, so we'll see. Okay, you guys, this Tatcha, the brand Tatcha, I need to like try out the whole skincare because everybody goes crazy over Tatcha. I see everyone always talking about Tatcha. I don't know if it's sponsored, but your girl needs to try it out because Tatcha just looks impressive. It just looks good for you. Okay, guys, comment down below if you guys want me to try this pizza eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's a little too corny for me, so that's why I haven't bought it or even like thought about trying it. But comment down below if you guys want me to try it. I will try it for you guys, but it's a little corny for me. The KKW Beauty, I don't know. I'm not impressed by their lines. I just feel like it's overpriced, so I'm going to skip on their stuff, even though I'm a huge fan of reds, and those reds look freaking gorgeous. I mean, this whole collection looks really good, but I don't know. I feel like it's overpriced. Okay, there you go, you guys. There goes that Prep and Prime I mean, I just love the Prep and Prime collection. I love how that freaking looks. It's so pretty. Okay, so for this Rebel Rose by Wet n Wild, I'm a huge fan of Wet n Wild's collection. So I can't wait to try this out. It seems like spring is going to have a really rosy vibe to it. Really rosy, flowery vibe to it. And then they're just taking their take on it, which is more of a rebellious rose to it. So that sounds like amazing. So I definitely want to try that out, and I'm probably going to go pick it up. Comment down below if you guys want me to go pick it up and do a video on it for you guys. I definitely will. Okay, I definitely want to do this Fenty stuff. So these Fenty lip shades look really good, and I want to try those highlighters too because I'm just intrigued. Like, look at that purple. That looks so good. That pink is so good. And that's like a coral. So good. I want to try it out. I especially want to try out the coral because I tend to get liquid lips tend to, in the coral, they tend to like cake off. So I definitely want to test that out. And then look at that, like that icy blue highlighter. Like, is that not life? So freaking pretty. I'm here for it. I want it. Okay, so I'm definitely not doing this Pretty Mess collection by Pretty Little Things. I mean, not Pretty Little Things. I'm definitely not doing this Pretty Mess collection by Too Faced. I'm so not interested. The packaging is really nice, but it's just so blah. Like, it's just so like, okay, this is, we see this. Like, it's not, it doesn't have like a I need it type of vibe to it. I feel like some of the themes are a little childish. It's just like, you know, I like pink, so I guess I think the packaging is nice, but it looks a little tacky. Like I don't see myself buying it. And then also the Maybelline Puma collection. I don't know. There was really nothing exciting about it except that highlighter is really pretty. I might try to get that highlighter because the highlighter is really pretty. These lip colors are not bad. They actually are really nice, but I don't know. Okay, I'm lying. Maybe I will get this because I'm starting to look at it like in details and I'm really liking it. But something about Puma and Maybelline going together doesn't make any sense to me. But I mean, you know, who really is asking me, right? Okay, so I definitely want to try out these new Hoola shades that they came out with. Oh my gosh. And then they came out with like new, oh, I definitely want to try these because they have deeper shades. As you guys know, I love the Hoola bronzer and I love using it. So this is really exciting that they're going to come out with a darker shade because I do have to layer on my Hoola bronzer a lot to make it show up. I definitely want to try out the Dominique Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, this is like so pretty. So freaking pretty. Ew. No Kylie. Skip the Kylie. Yes to the Fenty. Too Faced is coming out with skincare. Comment down below if you guys want me to try out the skincare because I'm very intrigued because I love their hangover line, which is this one. And I love it. I love that line. So I don't know. And it comes out, I will definitely test it out. I'm going to skip anything Marc Jacobs. How about not? ColourPop, these liners, I don't know. They already look like they're not going to be that great. Because, I don't know, I'm not impressed, and I'm going to skip on the ColourPop liquid liners. Unless you guys want me to test it out, I'll go and test it out for you guys, but I'm not really feeling that. The Naked Reloaded looks really good, and I'm very intrigued to try it out because it is a really good neutral palette. Milani keeps coming out with a bunch of random products, and I'm not impressed. This Intense Bronze Glow, I don't know. Yeah, no, I'll skip on that. Patrick Ta is coming out with a new beauty line. I met Patrick Ta. He smells so good. He looks so good. He has flawless skin, you guys. Like, he's a stunning guy. He's like handsome. So I will support him because he was so nice. Every time I meet him, he's really nice. Okay, I definitely need to try out some Beauty Bakery stuff. And this looks really pretty. I love the names, like Mango Pudding. How cute. So it's a pudding palette. I would definitely try this. I've been wanting to try out Beauty Bakery for a while. I want to see if their products are good or not. And I've been wanting to try them out for a very long time. So the next people that I'm really bored with is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, this looks like MAC. It's like MAC all the way. looks like a whole MAC collection. I like that they came out with like quads with the matching lip and all that. I mean, I get that. That's really nice. But I don't know. I wasn't too impressed with this whole collection. It's kind of boring. I don't know. It just didn't have the vibe of them. And I definitely think I want to try these shades by Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, these look really good. I really like that minted color. I want to try these shades out. Huda can be a hit or miss for me sometimes too. So I'm really kind of intrigued to try it out because I want to see if it works out for me. Yeah, and obviously you guys all know James Charles. He just keeps restocking his palette, and it's a fire palette. I really love it. I'll link down below a video of me doing 10 looks with his eyeshadow palette, so you guys could try that out. So guys, so that's my what would I buy, what would I not buy currently right now in the makeup world. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. Like videos like this, go ahead and comment down below and let me know, and I'll do more for you guys. There wasn't a lot launching yet. It's still the beginning of the year. We just had Valentine's Day. I mean, Valentine's Day wasn't even that lit, but I mean, it was good. So more is to come, and I think 2019 is definitely the year of complexion, so it's gonna be fun to talk about all the new launches. So comment down below what you guys would buy or what you wouldn't buy, what your eyes are on. Open up the conversation in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.